If your game is crashing, acting unstable, or you just want a completely clean slate before starting fresh, unsubscribing from all workshop items for that specific game can be one of the fastest fixes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unsubscribe from all workshop items for a game in Steam, and I'll also show you the safest way to do it so you don't accidentally remove items from your entire workshop library. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Steam guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. We're going to go through two different methods today. The first method is the standard workshop menu method, and for most people, this is the one I recommend because it's the most reliable and easiest to understand. The second method is the faster library shortcut method, which is great if you already know your way around Steam and want to clear everything out a little more quickly. Let's start with method 1, the workshop menu. First, open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that has all the workshop items you want to remove. Once you click on the game, look directly under the play button. You should see a row of tabs, and one of those tabs will say Workshop. Click that Workshop tab to open the game's workshop page. Now, on the workshop page, take a look at the right-hand side. You're looking for a drop-down menu called Your Files. In many cases, you'll see your profile picture next to it, which makes it easier to spot. Click that drop-down and then choose Subscribed Items. This will bring up a page showing all the workshop content you are currently subscribed to for that game. Once you're on the subscribed item page, look to the right sidebar. There should be a button that says Unsubscribe from All. This is the key button that removes every workshop item linked to that specific game. Before clicking anything, slow down for a second and pay attention to the confirmation box that appears next. This part is extremely important. Steam will ask you to confirm the action, and the message should clearly mention the game name. It should say something like, "Are you sure you want to remove all your subscriptions for?" and then it will show the game name. If the confirmation box does not mention the game name, stop right there. That usually means you're looking at the all games list instead of the specific game's workshop items. If you continue from there, you could unsubscribe from your entire workshop library, which is probably not what you want. So always double check that you are removing items for the correct game only. Once you're sure the confirmation message is correct, click OK or confirm the action. Steam will then unsubscribe you from every workshop item connected to that game. Depending on how many items you have, it may take a few moments to process everything. Now let's move on to method 2, the library properties shortcut. This is the fastest method, and as of the 2026 Steam update, it gives you another way to manage workshop clutter more efficiently. Go back to your Steam library and right-click the game you want to clean up. From the menu that appears, select Properties. Inside the Properties window, look for the Workshop tab on the left side. Click that tab and you'll see a list of every mod or workshop item currently installed for that game. If you want to remove everything at once, look for the checkmark box at the top of the list. This lets you select all items in one move. After selecting them, click Delete or Unsubscribe, depending on how Steam labels the option in your client. This method is especially useful if you want a fast cleanup before reinstalling mods, troubleshooting crashes, or starting a brand new mod setup. But again, just be careful and make sure you're working on the correct game before you unsubscribe from anything. And that's really all there is to it. Whether you use the workshop menu or the properties shortcut, you can quickly unsubscribe from all workshop items for a specific game and get a fresh start in Steam. This is a super useful trick for modded games, broken load orders, or anyone who wants to clear out old workshop content without manually removing each item one by one. If this video saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe for more Steam tutorials, gaming tips, and simple how-to guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing you how to resubscribe to workshop items cleanly after you've reset everything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.